special prestigious award for excellence in manufacturing of wagon and containers goes to Titagarh Rail Systems Limited.
Titagarh Rail System, our leading player in comprehensive mobility solutions with a robust presence in India and Italy. Specializing in passenger and freight rail systems, the company serves billions with its cutting-edge mobility solutions such as freight wagons, semi-high-speed trains, suburban trains, metro coaches, propulsion systems, as the largest private sector manufacturer of freight wagons.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's an absolute pleasure for us to be honored for the excellence in the manufacturing of railway wagons. Would like to congratulate the whole rail analysis team for such a commendable initiative. At Titagarh Rail Systems Limited, we are committed to continuing our journey with utmost passion, providing our mobility solutions to billions. We feel privileged to have been part of the rail revolution in India, which has only just begun. Our best wishes go towards the success of this event. Thank you very much, and wishing everyone a great year ahead.
Thank you very much.